Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will take you on a quick tour of our new apartment complex. We spent the last few weekends trying to find a new place to live in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Well, we finally found one to our liking. We were not looking for ultra luxury, but we were very practical in our approach. The community offers a business center, pool, a small golf area, and a game room. When we set out for our hunt, we basically had 5 requirements: a gated community, a unit on the ground floor, gas stove to make dishes that I couldn't make previously, washer dryer in unit, and a gym in the community. As I've spoken enough about it, let's begin the tour. At the entrance, there's a conference area where we can have our professional meets. On the other side, you have this lounge area with few gaming facilities, where we can hang out with our friends and family during business hours. After we step out of this area, we see a beautiful grilling area, and it has greenery all around. And there's also a mini golf area where our kids can have fun. Now, coming on to the fitness center, this is how it looks like. The best part of this is that we can access it 24/7. And that was the gym. Now, when we step out of the door, what we see is a beautiful pool area. And there's also a hot tub right beside this. And that was the community area. So let's get into the apartment now. As soon as we enter through the main door, what we see is a dining area right in front of the kitchen. So that's the kitchen with plenty of storage and a pantry. And this is the dining area. And right in front of this, what you see is a door which has the washer and dryer. And that is the main door from where we entered. So right beside the main door there's washer and dryer, and then this dining area, and right in front is the kitchen. Coming on to the right side of the kitchen, there's this beautiful living area with a fireplace. And here is the master bedroom. It's not very big, but big enough for us. And that's the master bathroom. The master bathroom has the built-in closet. There's plenty of storage inside the bathroom as well. And the door beside the fireplace you see is the second bedroom. As you all know by now, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. This room has a walk-in closet as well. And this is the second bathroom. So basically this bathroom serves as a common bathroom as well because it has 2 doors. The one from which I entered, that's from the room, and the other one is right in front, which is from the living area. And then there is this patio area where we can hang out with our family. And the designated carports are right in front of our house. And then there is this more storage. And that was it for the community and an empty apartment tour. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. Signing off for now, and we'll surely be back with such amazing videos. Thank you for watching. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.